Hello everyone, La Yang says Silicone matters. Today I want to tell you this logo is not ours, but all of them, the electrical configuration and program power inside, including exterior design and inner design, all belong to ownership, all belong to genuine machinery. The logo is our partners. This application cooperates with us. They use their own logo, but our starting batch is more than 10 sets. The product they makes is silicone heat transfer label stickers for clothing. For silicone products, the focus is on clothing accessories, bags and hats, luggage, socks, etc. Just follow the clothes, as long as the silicone conversion related to the trademark, and it's all made with this equipment. Then why do we agree with our clients with his trademark? Hey, because they are our partners. The appearance and purpose of the machine they were interested in, they only have this right to use it now. Our real one still has one. Our application for invention patents, there's a patent number. So this machine, in the end, it still belongs to Genu's ownership. So there are those who are willing to cooperate with us. I just said that I talked about more than 10 sets. You can become our partner. Thank you for your attention. Genu provides you with a one-stop solution.